Welcome to Man's Class Today. I hope every one of you are ready with your books. Yes. So in the previous class we have done with our till our fifth bit. I hope every one of you have done your homework. Yes. So now we will start with our sixth question. So here they have given some story questions. Now there we will solve the answer and the space is given as a blank. So we will write the answer there. Okay, so see your sixth question, student. A company distributes the profit of 20 lakhs, yes, 80,000 among its 8 partners. Okay, and how much amount does each partner receive? So here in the company there are about 8 partners. Okay, and they got a profit of 20 lakhs 80,000. Okay, so now this 20 lakhs 80,000 you have to distribute to all the 8 partners. So how much each partner will get? They are asking. So I said you in your previous class also. Yes, when about one item they are given and asking you to find the double many, you have to go for multiplication method. If they have given the lump sum, they have given the total and asking you to find the double one, you have to go for division method. Here you have to distribute, no? So division is the repeated distribution, repeated separation, repeated breaking of the thing is division. So we have to distribute it, so divide it. Okay, so 8 to 1, how much, how many partners are there? 8 partners are there. What is the amount? 20 lakhs 80,000. Okay, this 20 lakhs 80,000 you have to divide for 8. So I said already in maths, tables are compulsory tables. Without tables you cannot do anything. Okay, so in 8 table you have to check for 20. Okay, so I think you know table. So in 8 table we will not get 20, but 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So more than 20 we will get, less than 20 we have of 8 twos are 16. Okay, so we will take here 2 and 16 here and we will do the subtraction. Okay, so 0 minus 6 you cannot do. So take borrow from the before number. So directly if not 20 minus 16 also you can do it. Okay, so 1 here and 10 here. So 20 minus 16 also you will get 4, or 10 minus 6 also you will get 4. Okay, so 1 minus 1 if you will get 0. Okay, drop next number now. It is 8. Now check in 8 table 48 you will get drop. Okay, so if you know table you can check it very fast. Yes, 8 6 you will get 48. Okay, so now 48 minus 48 you will get 0. So here the division is done. But how many the numbers are remaining here? See, 4 zeros are left. So what you have to do? All these 4 zeros you should add up in your quotient. Okay, so how much you are getting here? 2,60,000. Okay, so now how much each partner will get? Each partner will get 2,60,000. Okay, so each one partner will get 2,60,000 amount. Okay, so as it is amount, rupees symbol is compulsory. Next is see your seventh problem. Asha bought 1 kg of rice for rupees 50. 50 grams of butter for 62 rupees, 2 kgs of wheat flour at the rate of 12 per kg. Yes, so these are the 3 items she bought, and she gave 100 rupee note and 150 rupee note to the shopkeeper. Okay, for paying bill she gave 100 rupee note and for the 50 rupee note. How much money did shopkeeper return to her? So how much is returned? They are asking. So for finding the returned amount, first you have to add up all that, how much bill was done and how much she have paid and how much she will get back. All these you have to calculate. So everything you have to do it in the rough column. So see here, she purchased the rice for 50 rupees. Okay. Next butter, 50 grams butter for 62 rupees. Okay, and 2 kgs of rice, and for 1 kg it is 12 rupees. For 1 kg it is 12 rupees. For 2 kgs into 2 you should do. How many kgs it is? That's what that number, that into you should do. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. How much she have done for wheat? What is the cost of wheat now? It is 24 rupees. Okay. So what is the total bill she have done here? 6 plus 2. Sorry, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 0 is 6 only. Now 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 2, 30. So how much is the bill? Yes. So 136 is the bill. So now how much she have given to the shopkeeper? She have given 100 rupees note and 50 rupees note. Actually first you have to find what is the total amount she have given. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5 and 1. So how much she have given to the shopkeeper? 150. Now from this 150 you have to take out this 136. The bill amount. So if she will give 150 rupees to the shopkeeper, what he will do? The bill amount is 136. So he will take 136 rupees. Now how much she will return? She will get back. So take borrow here. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 1 0. So how much she is getting back? 14 rupees she is getting back. Okay. So how much? 14 rupees. Okay. So now see your 8th problem. How many days are there in 15 weeks? So here for 1 week how many days you should check and you have to multiply with that 15. Okay, so 1 week will have 7 days. So 7 you multiply with 15, you will know how many days are there. So you do this problem. Yes, so this is very easy. Just you have to multiply. Just you have to multiply 15 with 7. Okay. Now see your 9th problem. A factory produces 2,500 boxes in a day. Okay. How many boxes will be produced in the months of March and April? So in one day, here a factory is producing 2,500 boxes. Okay. So in March month and April month, total how many boxes it will make? You have to find. So first you have to find individually in March month how many they will make and April month how many they will make, and both you should add. Okay. So first of all March, how many days you will have? Yes, March you will have 31 days. Okay. And April how many days you will have? 30 days. Okay. So for one day it is producing 2,500. So first we will find March how many they are producing. So multiply with 31 here. Okay. So 1 0 are 0 0, 1 5 are 5, 2. Okay. Now 3 0 are 0, 3 0 are 0, 3 5 are 15, 3 2 are 6 plus 1, 7. Now you add up both 0 0 5 7 7. So in March month how much they are producing? 77,700 boxes they are producing in March. Now same like that we have to check for April month also. Okay. So in April how many they are producing? April how many days are there? 30 days. For 30 days how many boxes they will make? We should check. Okay. So zeros, if you multiply with all zeros, all the numbers, you will get 0 only. Next 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Now you have to add up 0, 5 plus 0, 5 and 7. So how much they are producing in the March, April month? April month they are producing 75,000. Okay. So now you should add all this. April and March both they are asking together, no? So you have to add this April month and March month production. Okay. Now 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 7, it is 12. So 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. So in complete April and March month, how much they are producing? They are producing 1,52,500 boxes. Okay, so you are right, your 10th one, they are producing 1,52,500 boxes. Okay, now we'll see the 11th one. See your 11th. sorry. So here this is, so numbers are written little wrong, question numbers here. So this is 6, 7, 8 1 I have given number, this is 9 1, sorry. So see your 10th one now. So 10th question here you have, Dia is planning to go to Mumbai on June 25th. Okay, she received her train ticket 30 days in advance. Sorry, reserved her train ticket before 30 days. What is the date of ticket reservation? So she is going on June 25th. Yes, she is going to Mumbai on June 25th. So before 30 days she have she have planned her ticket. She have reserved her ticket. So here in June month it already 24 days, 25 days are there. 30 days before means to make 30, how many numbers are left here from this 25? So 25 days. So to make 30, if you subtract also you will get, see here 30 minus 25, directly you can take, or borrowing also you can do. See 2 minus 2 0. So how many days you need more to make 30 days? 5 days you need more. So June before. So before that, you know. So June before which month you have? May month. So May month before that saying means May month is having 31 days, means from 31 you should go back. 5 days you should go back so that you will get the result. Okay. So 31, 30, 5 days only you should go. 31, 30, 29, 28, 27. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 days if you go back. So on which day she have booked her reservation? She have done her reservation of train. So she have done on 27th. So right here 27th May. Yes, 27th May she have done her reservation. Okay. So now see your 11th question. Write 32 hours in 12 hours clock time. So already we have written the about clock problems in our previous classes. So 32 hours means that is 32 minutes after 12. Means so 12 you have to write and 32 minutes also. Okay. So it will be 32 hours means it will be in the early morning. So in early morning 32 minutes means how you will mention in the 12 hours clock? Think and write. So this you write by yourself. Now see your 12th problem. How many leap years are there between the years 2010 and 2020? Okay. So leap year means what? See, one day will be extra in the February month and this will happen for every 4 years. Yes. So 4 years after you will get 1 day extra in your February month. So that year will be called as leap year. Okay. So if you check from your 2000. Yes, or what is the leap year before this 2010? Actually, this 2010 was not a leap year. So before that, when you had leap year, for that one you should add up 4 years. Add up 4, you will get how many leap years are there between 2010 and 20. Okay, this also you do by yourself. Next, see your 13th problem. A flight from Dubai takes off at 39 hours and arrives in India at 5 hours. How much time is taken by the flight to reach India? So here Dubai flight. Yes, so Dubai flight is taking off. It is going. Yes, 21 hours, 21 and 39 hours from Dubai. Yes, it started in the Dubai and it reaches to India at 5 hours. So 5 hours in the sense in the early morning, 12:05. Yes. So here they are asking how much time is taken by the flight to reach India. So how much time it has taken to reach India from Dubai? They are asking. So in a day, how many hours you will have? That you have to minus with 21. Yes. So 24 hours. 24 hours minus 24, 39 we should do. Yes. So here 2 hours 31 minutes, sorry, 2 hours 61 minutes and 5 minutes for reaching India. So it will be nearly 2 hours 66 minutes. Actually 1 hour will make 60 minutes. Okay. So from this from 2 hours 66 minutes, 60 minutes if you minus and if you add to the hours, how much you have here? 6, 0 and the 60 you are adding to 1. Yes, this 60 minutes will make 1 hour, no? So this 60 minutes you are taking for hours, so it will be 3. Okay, so 3 hours 6 minutes it has taken. Yes, so that is 13th one. So it took 3 hours 6 minutes. Okay, now see your next problem, 14th one. Anil and Atul are playing with the toy cars. Anil toys are running 3 meters, 9 decimeters and 5 centimeters and Atul cars ran only 358 centimeters. How much further did Anil's car run? Yes, see here that they have given little to make you confuse, little change they have given but they both are same. Yes, see here the Atul's car's distance they are given like 358 centimeters. Okay, and Ankuls they are given like very lengthy. Yes, so Anil's it is 5 meters, 9 decimeters and 5 centimeters. Okay, so now you have to convert all this into centimeters. No? So if you convert all this into centimeters, you know already the basic unit already we have seen. Yes, so you are moving to front. So 1 and 2 jumps you are taking. So it will be of nearly same like this only you will get. So when you are converting decameters, it will be 1 jump 590, 590 plus 5 again 1 jump, it is 595. Okay, so it is already there in centimeters only, you can change it very easily, same they both are. So what they are asking here, how much further did Anil's car run? So Anil car, how much fast it is going? So do subtraction here, 5 minus 8, so here 8, 15, 15 minus 8, 7, 8 minus 5, 3, 5 minus 3, 2. So how many centimeters fast it is going? It is going at 237 centimeters further. Okay, so by this 14 problems we have finished here. Yes, so homework is given from your book. 3 problems are given. Yes, so by this we have completed our today's class and we will do in the next class with the continuation part. Thank you.